Hello, my name's Steve Welks and I'm the Managing Director at Silver Lining Estate Planning. I've put together this very quick video just to show you how easy it is to use online technology. We find that a lot of our older clients do not want us visiting them in their home at the moment, and that's perfectly, of course, understandable. And yet it's often older people who are not quite so conversant with technology. But if you can see me talking now, whether it's on your phone, tablet, or on a computer, then you can use Zoom, which is just one method that we use to, meet with our clients online. There are others which I'll touch on in a moment. But this is it. You can see me. I would be able to see you as well. And not only that, but I'll just show you a little trick where I can also share my screen with you. So I would be able to share perhaps documents or, diagrams, demonstration. And I can also do what I do when I sit with clients is we talk about how they want to distribute their estate, and we draw pictures, which I'm just doing with my finger here. Now, not very good art-wise, I do understand that. But as you can see, I can share anything with you at all. So although we feel this is probably not the perfect way to hold meetings with our clients, we are used to the personal touch. We understand we're in different times now. If this particular technology doesn't suit you, then we can also do video calls on your phone or tablet. We can use Skype, WhatsApp, FaceTime, Messenger, or anything else that you use to do video calls on your phone. We would have access to it. So it's an important time to be thinking about the range of services we provide, and we make no apology for saying that. And we hope that, instead of just putting something off because you can't go out to a solicitor or a will writer now, there is another way, and we really look forward to seeing you.